Alright, hey, what's up guys? We're gonna be filming another video over here at the canal. I haven't been able to film for like the last few days because it's been raining. So I'm making it up to y'all and I'm posting today. And I might post 2 videos this week, I don't know. Usually what I say does not go, so yeah, that is that. However, we're gonna be fishing today, and since it rained for 5 days straight, the canal is like really deep. So maybe there might be a few big monsters in there. Yeah, let's just cut straight to the chase. What I wanted to do was, if I catch a baby fish and there's like a gar coming around, I was gonna just quickly like take the hook out of its mouth and like put it around its nose and see if the gar will hit it. Because I saw the gar last time like completely eat a fish. Got a hit. Oh, guys. Wow, right off the bat, guys. Oh, I just realized I forgot my rag, but holy crap, guys. Oh my gosh. This one's truly massive. Like, this one just ate it straight away. Don't poke me, buddy. Don't poke me. Please don't poke me, mate. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's the thumbnail right there. Whoa, holy crap. I don't have a rag. Yeah. You like somewhat swallowed the hook. Oh wow, sorry buddy. You used to have some teeth there, buddy. Anyway, I'm gonna give him some water. Like, this is not even 5 minutes of recording. Like, I just saw him hitting the bait and I'm like, okay, he might have it. Oh, I got him off the hook, guys. That's a nice fish right there, buddies. That's a nice one. All right, here you go. That's the biggest one I've ever got from this canal. That's the biggest one that I've ever got out of the canal. I forgot a rag. Like, I'm genuinely confused if I like catch a turtle or something. I did not bring anything, like no supplies whatsoever. Like, I don't have a rag, I don't have a pliers, so I'm probably just gonna have to call my dad like, I need pliers, so like, I can deal without the rag, just everything else I kind of need. Oh well. That's a pretty big fish. Yeah, I just don't know what else to say. Let's just bait the hooks and let's see if we get another one. Like, I could you not, that was 2 minutes of fishing right there. That's the fastest I've ever caught a fish here. Like, just straight away, boom. That one just ate it. They usually don't eat it like that. That's why I was like, maybe a catfish. Because also it wasn't like showing, it was pulling. It went crazy, because that would have been, oh, holy crap, I just got a hit. Y'all saw that, right? My rod almost just fell in the water. I don't think I have bait. That might have been a turtle. It might have been a turtle, guys. Like, it hit it really hard. Guys, look, I got a snapping turtle. I don't don't actually think he ate it. No, he didn't eat it. Darn, guys. I knew that was a turtle too. Oh yeah. I don't like turtles. Oh, I have to call my dad. I have to straight up call my dad. Let that boy run. I have to call my dad, so I'm gonna have to stop recording right now. I'll see if I can re-record in a second. Well guys, I am back. I had to go real quick. Turtle ate my hook, and it was a snapping turtle, and oh crap, that was might have been a turtle. That might have been a real big turtle. But apparently I'm like really low on hooks, so I probably have to order from Bass Pro Shops. Like, I don't know, I might do that tonight when I get back home. But I guess we can just resume the video. I actually brought scissors this time. So yeah, that's it. Let's go. I don't know if y'all can see, but right there, right where I'm pointing at, kinda, that's a big thunderstorm. So I'm in a bit of a time crunch here. Oh, it's kind of annoying. Oh wow, what the heck? What is wrong with me? What the heck is wrong with me? I had a fish. Oh, come on. I know the last thing that I just had on my line was a fish. Wait, hit it and then ran. Turtles kind of eat it and then they sit. Fish kind of go crazy. Oh. Oh wow, guys, another really nice one. Oh wow, guys, another really nice one, guys. Man, I'm on a roll today. Once again, not even 5 minutes into the recording. What y'all think about that one? Not clickbait, not clickbait. Oh God. Listen also. Oh, okay. Might be a little camera shy. Appears he does not like being on camera. He is not happy. Oh. What do y'all think of that one? Now we're swimming in the fishes. Get it? Because he's a fish? I'm sorry. What is that, guys? 2 really nice fish and a turtle? I'm not considering that a bad day. And I've recorded for a lot less time than the last time I was here. That one was not happy. Oh, there's another really big turtle right there. Hang on. Oh, he's gone.
A few moments later.
Yep, guys, I got another one. Oh, this is a baby. This is a little baby. What are you doing here? Huh? Oh, wow, I got him through the eye. Oh my God. Look at that. It's through his eye. I apologize. Oh, he might not make it. Oh. Oh, now I really feel bad. One like equals one prayer for that fish. I thought it was a lot bigger than that, but once I started reeling them in, I'm like, it's either a turtle or a really small tilapia. Little baby tilapia. So F and chat for him, guys. Holy crap, guys, Evan has a fish. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, Evan got the biggest one. I hooked it for you, but hey, Evan caught it.
Wait, I'm gonna put it in the water.
Oh my gosh.
It's not, it's recording.
Yeah, it is. Hey.
No, put it in the water. I wanna hold it.
Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys.
Alright, let me hold it, Hey, no, stop.
All right.
Stop. Let go of the line. I'm just gonna put it in the water.
No, dude, come here. Hold
It
it.
needs air.
Okay, you can put it in the water, whatever. Don't lose that fish. It's just not really hooked that well. That was a nice one. That's probably the biggest one of the day. I'm just gonna let Evan fish because apparently his rod, something's not working. Like there's a pretty big tangle in it. Clip it. You definitely got him. You have him. Pull it. Oh! You should have pulled. Oh, you definitely had one though.
In the keys, we don't pull.
It might have been a turtle though.
I'm not used to pulling.
I'm gonna be real honest. I think I'm kind of glad you lost them.
Right.
That might have been a turtle.
Great, good. I lost it. Good, guys.
Because turtles kind of hit it. They take it a little bit. But tilapia, like they all boom. All right, next to that bread again. Oh, that's a tilapia.
Come on, give me.
Go. Oh. Go. Right next to it. Here, since I'll just man the camera. Oh gosh. Oh. You can't pull it that hard. You had
You said pull. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, once the line starts moving.
I saw it get hit.
A few moments later.
Gotta let them pull. All right, leave it. Evan has the rod, and I'm just gonna hold the camera. Y'all don't know how scared I am that I'm gonna drop my camera, because I have a tendency to drop everything. Wait, let me see it real quick. Oh, you have one. Oh, Evan has another one. This one's taking out drag. Holy crap, Evan got another one. Evan got another really big one. Yeah. Oh my God, Evan. Hold the camera. Oh my God. That's probably the biggest one of today. And I've caught some real big ones today. The big tilapia. Evan, make sure you got that. You barely hooked that too. Tilapia. Evan, I gotta get the thumbnail. All right, we good. Nice catch, buddy. My turn. It's my turn.
You caught two.
I caught two, you caught two. Here, hold the camera. Wow, today is just our day, isn't it, Evan?
Mm-hmm.
I came in here about an hour ago, and I nailed two really nice ones, and then you came along, and you said, that's nothing. Be gone. All right.
Can I go check the other lake with the cam?
Yeah.
All right, guys. We're gonna go check the other lake. Oh my God! Actually, it's the same. Like the land's covered. Pretty same. All right, let's go back. Let's shoot and paddle. I'm better at fishing than Aiden. He's trash. All right.
Hey guys, I've been taking you on a tour of the canal.
Mhm.
Nice.
We're gonna end off this video in a little bit because we're getting
there's
bit
a
up.
rainstorm coming, and
And we're getting bit up.
yeah, there's mosquitoes everywhere.
Yeah.
It's called the Floridian lifestyle.
Yeah.
Rained on and chewed up by mosquitoes.
Like 4 bites.
Hello. I can't believe the size of those fish, dude.
Was that your size?
Mine were probably a little smaller. I think you actually got a little bigger, to be honest.
Sorry guys, Dad just called. We're gonna leave in this is the last cast.
Yeah, last cast for real. Oh, I still got bread. Okay.
If he doesn't get bread,
Something big just hit me.
oh shoot! Did you see, guys?
Oh, it's tilapia.
Real big ones.
I know it's a tilapia from a turtle because turtle like hit it. They won't necessarily eat it.
Oh, time to go home.
Oh man. Well, looks like we gotta go home, guys. Oh wait. Well, guys, we're gonna end it right there. Evan got 2 really big ones, and then I got 2 really decent ones. Actually, right before we shut out this video, I'd like to shout out Evan for making his first YouTube channel. It's eMoney space Evan, no capital letters or anything. It'd really mean the world to me and him if you can get him up to at least 10 subscribers in the next few weeks. That'd just mean the world to him, because I mean, I've had a little bit of success. I gained 10 subscribers over the last few weeks, which is pretty good. And it'd be pretty cool if he hit 10 subs in a few weeks. So I'll leave a link in the description, but I hope you all enjoyed. Hit the like button for some more, and I'll see you next time. See ya.